Hello dear friends, this is me Waqas Ali. You are watching YouTube channel Fitness J. This individual healing from New York perfectly embodies both charm and physical fitness, boosting an incredibly attractive appearance with a well-groomed beard and mustache. His physique is undeniably impressive, reflecting his unwavering commitment to fitness that serves as a true inspiration. His captivating presence and fashionable grooming choices make him easily noticeable, attracting attention wherever he may be, whether engaged in a workout session or simply strolling along the street. His undeniable confidence and allure make him an exceptional figure in the realm of fitness. So his name is Mr. Kit Cardo. See you another next video, dear viewer. Okay, take care yourself and bye bye.